welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another amazing software. This one is called Backlinks Builder, and this one is by ReviewFE, and it's going live today, the 5th of April 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this one, in a nutshell, is the world's first 70-in-1 AI based SEO application that creates unlimited backlinks and best websites analysis, and of course puts your page ranking on the front page of first page of the Google ranking. Of course, that means giving you instant leads and traffic to your websites or anything you have there. And it is so good that it actually helps you have backlinks checks and broken links, and you have basically everything that will make your SEO search engine optimization analysis top notch, and of course puts you out there as a ranking website, which means getting the traffic you need to actually sell your goods or do anything else you want, as long as your website is concerned. This one is an amazing one, and I recommend it. At any point you make up your mind on this one, I have the link to the sales page in my description. That first link will lead you to this amazing bonus page of mine, where you can grab a copy using this link or any of the other links. If you click any of this, it's going to take you to the sales page where you use the links there, like this one, to get a copy for yourself. And of course that means grabbing Backlinks Builder from ReviewFE. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I do these reviews every other day to bring out best products that you can actually make use of in order to maximize your dividends. We're talking about making money online, so this one is basically one of them. And if we should go further into this, the question should be, what exactly is Backlinks Builder and what is it going to do for you? It will help you create unlimited backlinks for any website in seconds. Use mass backlink indexing to increase your website speed and get full website analysis in just one click. Kickout on money-sucking third parties who charge hundreds of dollars for backlinks, and then use the power of artificial intelligence to create world's best Google-friendly backlinks. And you have up to 70 plus AI based SEO tools, and you have step-by-step video training on this one, commercial license included, and you generate and sell unlimited backlinks to unlimited clients for unlimited profits. And you have this basically beginner friendly, and you can start in just 3 easy steps, and it is fully cloud-based software, nothing to install. Start as soon as you get access to this using the first link, of course, in my description area. That will definitely bring you to this bonus page. Now let us take a look at the very sales page and see what is there. This is exactly what the video from my friend ReviewFE says this is going to do for you. You are going to watch this sales video at your convenience, and these are some of the benefits that I have read out to you. And let us see how many steps you need to do this one. Mass backlinks creator, mass backlinks indexing, and mass website analysis. You have mass backlinks checker, high ranking on page group, on page guide, and clients backlinks report. You have social network analysis, rank and index analysis, domain analysis. You have IP analysis, keyword analysis, and link analysis. All these are inbuilt in this software, which you will have access to when you buy this one, and you'll be able to definitely make use of this one to do your website good by bringing it out there ranking. Imagine if the search engine of any keyword searches whatever, and your website or whatever you are having out there online is ranked in the first page of Google. You know what that means? That means getting the clicks, and definitely, you know, people patronizing whatever you are selling or whatever you are giving out there to the internet. Okay, so it's basically a good one, and I know it has 3 basic steps. You log into the very members area, which is the software itself, and then of course the step 2 will be to put your own website URL, and automate system will create Google friendly backlinks analysis in seconds. And step 3, you profit. You use or sell backlinks and other resources to make unlimited profits. I mean, backlinks are very important. No matter what the AIs are doing, without backlinks, indicating from different websites all over the world, all over the internet, actually getting connected with your own website, this actually indexes and tells Google algorithm that this page is very important and it has to be ranked out there, and that's how you get visibilities. So that's exactly what you have. 3 basic steps, and you will be able to take away some of these freelancing opportunities that you give out to people who do these services for you at a price that are so exorbitant sometimes. And these are some of the amazing testimonials for this one. 5-star, David gives this product 5-star, and Steve 5-star. And you see some of the income proofs that Rudy Roger and his group have been able to make. And here are some of the things you get on Fiverr or Upwork on people who do these backlinks for you. $200, which is starting, $295, $495 for starting, and you have $350, $1,000 for starting, and you have $350. I mean, it goes on, and this is what you normally pay to get your SEO of your website ranking out there. And this is the money you avoid by getting this product, Backlinks Builder. Okay, so it's basically a very good one in my own assessment. Ruby doesn't launch all the time, but anytime he launches, you definitely get value for your money. Okay, that's what this is actually going to, I believe, do for you when you make up your mind on this one. And I will leave most of these very sales page to you when you arrive. This is Nel Patel, net worth 30 million. You have Brian Dean, net worth 5 million, and you have Ron Fishkin, 10 million net worth. And these are guys who deal with these SEO and optimization things, and you see what they have been able to make selling backlinks and all that. So you see, this is a good one at my own instance, and I believe at your convenience you'll be able to take a look at also the very bonuses that the vendor has for you, which you are going to get a link to in my bonus page when we get to that stage. Let me show you the bonuses that the vendor has for you, which you are going to get in the members area. This is bonus number 1 for 400 plus WordPress premium teams. You have bonus number 2 will be advanced SEO clients checklist. You have bonus number 3, $100 per day income system, and you have blogging cheat sheets for bonus number 4, and you have bonus number 5, $100 case study from Backlink Builder, and those are 5 from him, 5 from me, and I have 2 pages of bonuses for you. So we are going to leave the sales page at this very stage so that we can take a look at the price of a Backlink Builder and go from there. Now, unfortunately, up till now I've been waiting for the review access of the members area of this very product, but Rudy has not been able to send that, and this product is going live 5 p.m. my time, which is European time, and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I needed to do it, but I will leave the link to the demo video of this very product in action in my description, so you see exactly what you have there. Now let us take a look at the very pricing for this one. The front end goes for $17, as you can see on this diagram, but here $17, and it's going to give you access to the amazing members area, whose access I don't have at this point, but I will leave the very video of this product in action in my description, and you will go for $17. And you have also OT number 1, the unlimited version goes for $37, and it gives you basically, as you can see, everything unlimited. And you have OT number 2, which is the Backlinks Pro, it goes for $37 as well, and you get 300% more traffic, and it sells faster and easier with zero tech hassles ever. And you get step-by-step exclusive traffic full training and case study. You have included 100 plus traffic sources, get traffic in just 1 click, and included is millions of stock images download and 1 click, and you have grab complete resell rights to backlinks. I mean, this is loaded for the pro version of this OTO number 2, and you have some of this as your own major benefits. You start your own profitable software selling business instantly with any huge investment. Without any huge investment, and you need to invest 10k to 50k for product creation and marketing purposes, and you turn your hair gray for managing customer service. And these are all the things you are going to benefit, because the support of this launch is going to do that for you 24/7. And you have the OT number for the Backlink Builder done for you, goes for $37. Wow, $37 for done for you. I mean, everything is done for you. Complete blog setup and funnels with articles included, domain and hosting with 100 plus traffic sources plus high quality backlinks with 24/7 support, as I told you. And OT number 4, the last one, is the reseller, which goes for $27, and here you have full reseller rights and this includes 100% commissions. These are the benefits we've read before, and now let me show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you. I have 2 pages of bonuses for you. One will come to you by email, which is this one. Is loaded with 10 amazing training and software and ebooks that will be able to help you in your money making activities online. Now you have my bonus number 1 on this page. You will get this one on my WaterPlus account, and it is how to make money with your bank using this very method. Okay, amazing method, a secret method that is going to teach you how to make money on autopilot. And you have the how to convert your traffic fast, which is going to help you convert traffic that you get by ranking your page on Google #1 page. And you have also get targeted traffic to your websites, and you have also access manufacturer, and of course, like I told you before, the amazing vendor bonuses for you will be gotten in the members area. And now the second page that we will send to you by email address will be this, which has 10 amazing bonuses for you. The ultimate multi-level marketing secrets #1, list building expert, internet marketing fast start #3, affiliate marketing secrets #4, 30-day to bigger email list ebook goes for #5 on this very page that will come to you by email. And you have a chatbot marketing mastery. You have also building the perfect sales funnel, blogging for profit, email list building blueprint, and copywriting program. And by the way, when you click this link, it takes you to the sales page. You click any of the links on the sales page, like this very one under this video, this one. It will take you to my WaterPlus account where you are going to purchase this product. After you purchase, under your purchase history, you find a page that looks exactly like this. This one gives you access. This green button gives you access to Backlinks Builder, and here you have this blue one giving you access to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. Like I said, the second page of my bonus, exclusive mega bonuses for you, 10 of them will be sent to you by email upon your request. And now this is definitely where I would also encourage you that this is where we come to the end of this review, and I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here guys, it's goodbye.